We've been rather wrecking cars.
Hey bro, is that Jambo?
What is that stakes for us? Kicking up ponderous. Yeah, we could be superstars, but I'm pretty sure our time is up. And so we fell off the spinning tops.
Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you.
What's going on, guys? You already know where I'm located. I'm located in the East Store, Smokey Jones. You guys already know what's going on. This is the video to tell you guys, June 25th, don't miss it. It's about to be a whole nother movie. We got a raffle going on this time. We're gonna be showing off this hookah for the second place winner, plus interior lights for the car. First place will get another 500-star headliner. Third place will get a Henny bottle with a custom shirt, 2 sets of Smokey and Saucy on. I hope to see you guys there. Stay tuned. Come get the raffle tickets. Try to win this hookah. Try to win them stars. It's gonna be a movie.
Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside.
Let's try. That's the honey lemon. Yes, sir. Honey lemon. You see the glyph on it. That's the honey lemon. Let me know how it is. That's the first. Take one more bite. You gotta double bite it. Look out. That's him. That's him. That's the honey lemon, huh? Yes, sir.